Learn Norwegian fast. I would like, equals.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Welcome aboard. Hey there. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to learning that sticks. Before we start, big welcome from Synapse Lingo. For extra resources, transcripts, and practice, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the polite Norwegian phrase for requests. I would like, equals.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Buckle up, there will be coffee, claps, and a tiny genie. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll say it clearly and confidently. Your target phrase is I would like, equals.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Think of the mnemonic, will gladly have. Quote.
Vil gjerne ha.
Use it to ask politely for anything, from.
En kaffe.
To.
Et glass vann.
Rhythm warm-up. Let's lock it in with a quick beat, say it with me. 4-beat loop.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Clap, clap. Again, with feeling.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Last one, add a smile.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Cafe dialogue. Now a quick scene, you're at the counter and you're charmingly polite. Server.
Hva ønsker du?
You.
Jeg vil gjerne ha. En kaffe. Takk.
Server. No problem. Anything else? You.
Jeg vil gjerne ha. Et glass vann. Vær så snill.
Later at a restaurant. You.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
At board for two. Alternative phrasing. You.
Kan jeg få?
En cappuccino.
Vær så snill.
Mini drills. You'll hear the English, then say the Norwegian out loud. I would like a coffee, please. Answer.
Jeg vil gjerne ha. En kaffe. Takk.
I would like some water. Answer.
Jeg vil gjerne ha. Litt vann.
I would like a table for two. Answer.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
At board for two. Excuse me, I would like a cappuccino, please. Answer. Unskilled.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
En cappuccino.
Takk.
I would like a table by the window. Answer.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
At board ved vinduet. Polite versus blunt. Tone matters, let's compare quickly. Polite default.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Warm and courteous. Very polite, soft request.
Kan jeg få? Vær så snill.
Blunt.
Gi meg.
Sounds rude, avoid unless joking with friends. Don't mix up.
Jeg liker.
I like, with.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
I would like. Culture tip. A tiny tweak earns big smiles in Norway. In Norwegian cafes, starting with.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Shows good manners when you go to.
Å bestille.
To order. On Karl Johans gate in Oslo, you might say.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
En is.
Takk.
Polite words pair well with a friendly gesture, open palm toward the item and a small nod. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal it. Riddle. I start a request without sounding rude. In Norway I get you food. What am I? Answer.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Multiple choice. Pick the polite phrase. A.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
B.
Gi meg.
C.
Jeg liker.
Answer. A.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Odd one out.
Jeg vil gjerne ha. Kan jeg få? Gi meg. Jeg skulle gjerne.
Odd one out for tone.
Gi meg.
Fun line plus memory hook. Time for a smile that helps you remember. Humor boost. A genie appears. You say.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Unlimited wishes. The genie rolls their eyes and gives you coffee. Be polite, be smart.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Is how you start. Your speaking challenge. Now it's your turn, go for it. Role play. You're in a bookstore asking for a map. Say it politely. Sample.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Et cart.
Takk.
Speed round. Say the Norwegian for, I would like, in 8 seconds. Answer.
Jeg vil gjerne ha.
Bonus swap. Try the alternative.
Kan jeg få?
Et glass van.
Vær så snill.
Thanks and next steps. You did great, keep the momentum. Thanks for listening. Practice by ordering your next drink in Norwegian.
Jeg vil gjerne ha. En kaffe. Takk.
Keep drilling the phrase and your cafe confidence will soar. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, quizzes, and transcripts at www.synapse-lingo.com.